Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Home ribbon. It is the main ribbon page that contains the most commonly used formatting and sorting options. It's the second menu in the Excel menu bar. Let's start with the font group. This group is all about customizing the appearance of your text to ensure it stands out just the way you want it to. First, you can change the text font. Excel offers a variety of font styles to choose from, depending on how you want the text to be emphasized. You can also change the size of the text to distinguish headers from data. Larger fonts can make headers and important information pop out, while smaller fonts keep your data neat and readable. Adding color to your text in cell is another way to highlight key information or categorize data. Simply select your text and choose your preferred color. You also have the option to apply bold, italic, and underline styles to your text. These styles can help emphasize important data points or make your document look more professional and organized. The Borders button lets you add or modify borders around cells. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to the Borders icon, you can choose to apply borders to the top, bottom, left, or right sides of the selected cells. Now, let's explore the Alignment group. This group offers tools to control how your text and data are positioned within cells. First, we have the Orientation option. This feature lets you rotate your text to various angles or display it vertically. It's particularly useful for fitting long headers into narrow columns or adding a creative touch to your data presentation. The Wrap Text feature ensures that long text fits within the cell by wrapping it onto multiple lines. This is especially helpful for avoiding text overflow and maintaining a clean and organized layout. Finally, the Merge and Center button allows you to combine multiple cells into one and center the content. This is ideal for creating headers that span across several columns or emphasizing key information. Next, let's look into the Number group, a tool that can transform your data to be more readable and professional. Whether you're working with currency, percentages, or dates. Here's a column of numbers. To format them, highlight the cells you want to change. Click on the comma icon to add thousand separators and make the values more readable. You can then adjust the number of decimal places by clicking on the increase or decrease decimal icons. To display time, select the cells you want to format, go to the Number Format dropdown, and choose time. You can select from formats like 1:30 p.m. or 13:30, depending on whether you prefer a 12-hour or 24-hour clock. To format numbers as percentages, click on the percentage icon. You can adjust the number of decimal places to match your preference, making it easier to read in present percentage values. To change numbers as currency, click on the Number Format dropdown and select Currency. Choose your desired currency symbol and adjust the number of decimal places if needed. This ensures that your monetary values are presented clearly and professionally. Dates are equally important. To format a cell to a date, click on the Number Format dropdown. You'll find various options like short date, long date, or custom formats. Simply pick the one that suits your needs. Next, let's use the Style group. These tools include cell styles, conditional formatting, format as table, and themes. Below, you'll see a table with values. We want to add conditional formatting to a whole column so it automatically highlights whenever the data changes. In this example, we'll highlight the percentage change between 2 years and then highlight the months below 0% automatically. Here's how to do it. Highlight the entire column you want to format, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down list, select Highlight Cell Rules and then choose Less Than. The default value is 0, but you can change it to your preference. As you can see, the color changes if the percentage is below 0%. This makes it easy to spot trends and outliers in your data. You can also highlight top and bottom values. Select the column or range of cells you want to format, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down list, select Top and Bottom Rules. Choose either Top 10 items, Bottom 10 items, Top 10%, or Bottom 10%. The default number is 10 and the default color is red, but you can adjust these settings to match your preference. Next, let's use data bars. This tool provides a visual representation of the data in each cell, making it easy to compare values at a glance. They are particularly useful for showing relative sizes of numbers. Adding data bars, highlight the cells you want to format, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down list, select data bars, choose a style, either gradient fill or solid fill. Using the same process, you can also use color scales and icon sets. Color scales use a gradient of colors to represent the range of values within a selected range of cells. The primary benefits include visual representation, trend identification, and enhanced readability. Icon sets are symbols like arrows, stars, and traffic lights to indicate value ranges and trends. The advantages are visual cues, comparative analysis, compare different data points quickly without delving into the numbers. Format as Table is a tool in Excel for presenting your data clearly and professionally. Imagine you have a dataset of monthly sales figures. By formatting this data as a table, you can quickly filter, easily sort, and include a total row at the bottom of the table to sum up your sales. In this format, your data will not only look more professional but also become more functional and easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more tips and tricks for mastering Excel, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos.
And there you have it. Don't forget to like and share. Follow for more Excel basics.